So here we are in one of the otter workshops in Southold at the Archemomic Preserve, and wanted to check out an area that I had jumped a pair of otters some years ago when I was retrieving one of my cameras, remote cameras. So I was coming up this little slot between two ponds, and the two otters were right in this cattail area. They had like a bed area they made, and I wanted to check this out more closely this time. And this is, so I'm about 3 or 4 years after that incident, and you can see how the cattails were all flattened down in the same area, so they're still using this. Gotta watch where I step here. So anything, they're out in the open, which they like, and resting during the day. Cattails screen them from everything except from above. And anything that comes in, they're going to know about, because it's going to make a racket walking through the old cattail stalks. And here we have an otter bed right here. So this is, or couch they call it. So they flattened down the cattails, made themselves a nice, dry, comfortable spot to lay down and rest. During the day, they're hunting mostly at night, and any big movements, if they're heading out to another part of their home range, they usually do that at night. Here's another bed close by, and two more about 20 feet over this way. And associated with each bed is a huge pile of fish scales, which is their remains of their digested meals. Fish and crab mostly. Pretty much everything in here is fish. There's another big pile right in the water here. This is the largest, we call these latrines. This is the largest one that I found on Long Island. So pretty neat. And here's another example of latrine. So they scrape stuff together and they deposit this along with scent. We don't know exactly what the scent signals, but it's a way for them to communicate with one another. So, something new. Always wondered where they spent the majority of their time during the day, and this is one of the types of things they utilize.